Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn how to fix PS5 Welcome Hub not showing up. Fix 1. Confirm gradual rollout. The PS5 Welcome Hub introduced in the September 2024 update is rolling out gradually. Currently, it is only available to selected users in the United States. Sony plans to expand support to Japan, followed by specific European countries, and eventually make it available globally. Fix 2. Stay updated on regional availability. Sony has not provided specific release dates for each region. Check the official PS blog or PlayStation support channels for updates on availability in your area. Fix 3. Use system feature updates. In settings, navigate to system feature updates. Turn on this option as some users found it prompted the Welcome Hub to appear. This setting is separate from standard updates, so double check it if the Welcome Hub is still missing. Fix 4. Check your account region. The Welcome Hub may only be available to users with accounts set to certain regions like North America. Make sure your PSN account region matches one where the feature is available. If you are in the right region but still don't see it, try changing your PSN region temporarily. Fix 5. Ensure system update installation. Go to your PS5 settings to confirm you have installed the latest system update, September 2024. Select System Software Update and check for any available updates. Having the latest update makes your console ready for the Welcome Hub when it reaches your region. Fix 6. Look for the Welcome Hub in the Explore tab. The Welcome Hub replaces the Explore tab, so check there for the new feature. After updating, navigate to the Explore tab on your PS5's home screen. Look for a new layout or customization options related to the Welcome Hub. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.